Hi sir, my name is Durgarav. I am from ECA section. My roll number is 20BQ180431. Today my seminar topic is methods of polymerization. Methods of polymerization is classified into four types: solution polymerization and precipitation polymerization, and third one is suspension polymerization, and fourth one is emulsion polymerization. Now discuss about the suspension and emulsion polymerizations. These all through polymer dispersity and molecular weight may be improved. These methods may introduce additional processing requirements to isolate the product from a solvent. Suspension and emulsion polymerizations, both these methods are comes under heterogeneous polymerizations. These methods are specifically designed for performing free radical addition polymerization. Suspension: the monomer oil droplets are suspended in liquid water phase. Emulsion: association of tiny droplets of monomer oil and water. Suspension now suspension and polymerization: the big droplets of monomer oil suspended in water polymers polymerges through mechanical agitation and settle down as beads or pearls, known as beads or pearls polymerization. The basic requirements for performing suspension polymerization: dispersion medium, dispersed phase, stabilizer, initiator, and mechanical agitator. Here, dispersion medium is water, dispersed phase is oil or is a monomer, stabilizer, it stabilizes the suspension. Like example, polyvinyl alcohol or methyl cellulose. Initiator: it must be water insoluble and monomer soluble. Example, benzoyl peroxide. Here, benzoyl peroxide or diazobenzene. Mechanical agitator is a mechanical stirrer baker. Now see this figure. Here water and this is the monomer droplets. Here this is the monomer droplets, and it is the water. These are the water and monomer droplets. Here mechanical stirrer is rotates, and finally the polymers are settled down in the form of a granulous beads. Suspension polymerization: monomer oil and water suspension is stabilized by using stabilizer. Initiator diffuses into the monomer droplet through mechanical agitation and initiator the polymerization. Finally the polymer will be settled down in the form of granules or beads or pearls. Hence this polymerization is known as a beads or pearls polymerization. Now, Association of emulsion polymerization. Association of tiny droplets of monomer, oil, and water is known as emulsion polymerization. Emulsion polymerization is a association of tiny droplets of monomer and water is known as emulsion polymerization. These tiny droplets of monomers are gets aggregated in the presence of emulsifier like soaps or detergents. This is the process like soaps or detergents. This is the process is known as micellization. Initiator diffuses into the and micelle and initiates the polymerization. Finally, the polymer will be settled down in the form of precipitate. Finally, the polymer is settled down. Finally, the polymer is settled down in the form of precipitate. The basic requirements for emulsion polymerization is a dispersion medium, dispersed phase, emulsifier, and initiator. Dispersed phase is water, and a dispersed medium. Dispersed medium is water. Dispersed phase is oil monomer. Emulsifier: emulsification through micellization, like example soaps or detergents. Initiator: benzoyl peroxide or diazobenzene. Micellization is the driving force for the polymerization. here show this equation. This is the tiny droplets of monomer. This is the tiny droplets of monomer, and tiny droplets of monomer and reacts with soap detergents, reacts with soaps detergents and form a spherical micelle. It is the initiator, and finally form a tiny polymer will be settled down in the form of precipitate. This is the micelle is the C17H35CO minus. The tail is a hydrophobic form, hydrophobic and head is a hydrophilic head. Thank you, sir, for the given opportunity. Thank you.